Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday, December 15th. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review real estate and mortgage related terms. So today's term is going to be pre-approval, and a pre-approval is a letter from a lending institution that tells a buyer how much they are qualified to purchase a home for. So this process is going to require the buyer to fill out an application, and the lender can then review the buyer's financial situation and determine what their overall credit profile is. So what's your debt to income ratio? That means each month how much money are you making versus the money that you have to put out for recurring bills. They also are going to look at your credit worthiness. So that means, your overall credit score from the different credit bureaus. They're going to also look at your inquiries. How many things have you been applying for? Are you trying to open up a lot of different lines of credit? They're also going to ask you about your savings. They're going to, want to know how much cash do you have available to close? What type of pensions or 401ks do you have? It's a very invasive process, but it's definitely necessary because if I'm a bank, I don't want to lend out $500,000 to someone who can't really afford to pay it back. So this is important to work with someone who really is going to work well with you and provide you with the best programs. So definitely talk to your real estate agent when you are serious about purchasing so that they can connect you with lenders that they know and trust, and you can get started on that pre-approval process. So once the lender has all of your information, W-2s, pay stubs, all of that kind of stuff, they will then issue a pre-approval letter to you, and it will tell you exactly how much you can purchase a home for, and you can forward that letter to your realtor and you guys can get started on shopping for homes. Now this really should be the first step. Some buyers want to just go out and start shopping for homes before they get the pre-approval, but that's kind of a dangerous line to cross because you don't want to fall in love with a house that you can't afford, or you see a home that you think you can afford and then you do your pre-approval process and find out that you've got things on your credit that you have to repair, or you got other things that are going to prevent you from purchasing at this time. So trust your realtor when they say speak to a lender first, because it's really important. And if you are serious about buying, it's something that you can't avoid. You have to do it. So if any of you are buyers who are interested in getting out and purchasing your first home or second home or third, I work with a few lenders who I know and trust, and they're really awesome. So I can definitely forward you that information if you would like. Just reach out to me. But that's a pre-approval letter. That's today's term. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next week for next week's term. Thanks. Have a great day.